My name is Muhammad bin Rahmat and I'm from University Metropolis, and today I will share to you guys about my assignment and on the topic business analytic. Before that, I'm from Faculty of Business and Communication, and I also from group class 22E. And for our two names, it's about social action theory, and we have a 3IV, that is employees trust, job satisfaction, and reciprocity relationship. For our team members, I as the representative, as a leader, my name is Muhammad bin Rahmat, with numeric 241 240 326. Individual is Muhammad Firdaus bin Abdul Rashid, and the last one is Umi Anati bin Umar. The introduction. This study aims to investigate the relationship between independent variable and dependent variable. All of this has been selected based on distinct and non-overlapping business theory. The collecting data will be analyzed using various statistical techniques to ensure the reliability and validity of the findings. Normality tests and reliability testing will be used in this analysis, and regression analysis also will be used to calculate regression coefficients and the R-square value. Now we will go to the next topic, and that is descriptive statistic. In this table, we can see that they have a 4 variable, and that is V, E, R, and F. For this table, for V, that is a DV or dependent variable, and for the rest, it was IV, and that is independent variable. We also have a mean, standard deviation, and N. In this table, we can see that the descriptive statistic data is shown the mean score for the 4 variable, and for the IV, it was recorded with the highest score around 4.28, and standard deviation with 0.509, and with the following of F, IV with 4.35 with standard deviation of 0.4678. Now we move to the variable E with the mean 4.18 with standard deviation of 0.207. With the last one is 4.11 for the RIV and standard deviation of 0.626. According to this table, we can see that N is the same, and that is 19.
Here is a summary of the table. Residual statistic. 1. Predicted value. Mean 3.47, max 4.82, mean 4.28, standard deviation 0.30. 2. Residual. Mean negative 1.48, max 0.99, mean 0, standard deviation 0.41. 3. Standard predicted value. Mean negative 2.7, max 1.81, mean 0, standard deviation 1. 4. Standard residual. Mean negative 3.49, max 2.33, mean 0, standard deviation 0.97. The total sample size N for all statistics is 60. The table shows reliability statistic using crunch alpha for 4 variables. 1. V alpha 0.762 for item. 2. E alpha 0.781 for item. 3. R alpha 0.767 for items. 4 is T alpha 0.636 for item. The table shows the correlation metric using percent correlation for variable V, E, R, and F. 1. Key correlation. Strong. E and R 0.671, moderate, V and E 0.451, V and F 0.495, E and F 0.572, R and F 0.418, Weeks V and R 0.134. 2. Use significant 1 is tell all correlation are significant P less than 0.001 except V and R P 0.154. 3. Sample size N. Seek 0 for all variable E and R have the strongest positive correlation.
Next, we go to the model summary. Model information for model summary is R. Its coefficient is 0.589. This suggests a moderate positive linear relationship between the independent variable FRE and the independent variable V. For R square 0.346, this indicates that 3.4.6% of the variance in the independent variable can be explained by the independent variable FRE. Adjusted R square is 0.311. This adjusted R square takes into account the number of predicted and adjusted for overfitting. It's a bit lower than R square, which is expected when there are multiple predictors. Standard error for the estimate is 0.42308. This represents the standard deviation of the residual is provided an estimate of the average distance between the observed value and the regression line. A lower value is better, indicating a better fit of the model. Second, we go to the change statistic. For R square change is 0.3.6. This shows the amount of variance in the independent variable explained by the independent variance in this model. For F change is 9.896. This is the F statistic for testing the significance of the model. A higher value generally suggests that the model is good fitting. Second, we go to the Durbin-Watson is 2.149. The Durbin-Watson statistic test for autocorrelation in the residual, a value near to suggest that there is no autocorrelation. Here, a value of 2.149 is close enough to 2 to suggest no serious autocorrelation.
For the conclusion, the result of the regression model indicate that the independent variable collectively explain a significant portion of the variance in the dependent variable, with the R square value confirming the model predictive power. Furthermore, statistically tests such as F